Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, and today I have this goldy bronzy shimmer look for you. Very easy look, and it comes in very handy because it's spring, it's summer, and we're ready to get that skin glowy. I woke up today with the biggest zit on my face. This one and this one I had yesterday. I don't know what's happening. It's not even that time of the month, but I didn't let this stop me. So let's get into the tutorial. My face has already been primed and color corrected, and I use this Princess Potion to give my face a little bit of moisture. And I always use this Elegel Pro Conceal to conceal because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, like I tell you every time. So I think I'm gonna start with the eyes first. First of all, I'm gonna use this NYX Lit Lingerie palette. I think I'm gonna go for this color right here. It's a cream, or maybe this one, or maybe I just mix both. Why not? You see there is concealer on my eyelids already, so I'm just gonna go in to set the concealer. Because I don't know, my eyelids are very oily, especially right here on my crease. So make sure you set your concealer so your eyeshadow can stick a little bit better. So I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Next, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Next palette I'm gonna use is this NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm gonna go in for this color right here. You bring it almost up all the way. The only part you don't want to put the eyeshadow is this part right here. Next, I'm going in with the new Nubian from Juvia's Place, and I'm going in with this bronzy color right here. And with the same Nubian palette, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade right here. And bring it a little, just a little bit above the crease. And I'm just gonna pop on my lashes and come back. And now my lashes are on. Am I the only one who really struggles with eyelash application? Sometimes I feel like you put them and they're on. Sometimes you just have to struggle. And you know, the times when you put them, you have to take them off. It's crazy. But they're on right now. So we're gonna go straight into the foundation application. And for today, I'm using this Bare Minerals, which is my favorite foundation ever. Excuse the the pump. For contour, I'm using this Bobbi Brown Long Wear Finish Compact Foundation in Espresso.
Roy's got this.
I think I'm gonna go with a little bit more right here. And then I'm going back with the same beauty blender or blending sponge, because the beauty blender is actually a brand of blending sponge. So
Roy's got this.
in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color that doesn't want to pick up. It's in the color Fawn.
Roy's got this.
Same sponge. So as you can see, my face has been properly blended. I'm gonna go in next with my Sacha Buttercup powder. Thing I really don't like about this, I love this powder. One thing I really don't like about loose powders is they get really messy.
Roy's got this.
Kind of messed up my contour a little bit, but I'll fix it.
Roy's got this.
Nah, come, let's come and say hi.
Hi.
I know he's shy. My son is hiding, so I'm just gonna let him stay here. I'm going in with my Bare Mineral Bare Pro foundation powder in Chia number 26. I'm just gonna set my whole face. Next thing I'm gonna use is this CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer. As you can see, it fell. I need a new one. I don't know where to get it from, but I need a new need a new one. I really love this bronzer. So the bronzer is just gonna add some warmth to my face. It's not the same as a contour. This is just gonna bring some warmness to my face. And a little bit of glow.
For my blush, I'm going in with this MAC Cheeky Beat blush. And it's an orangey, shimmery blush.
Roy's got this.
For my highlight today, I'm gonna be using this Sleek palette. This shade right here.
Roy's got this.
I'm taking a black eyeliner. And any mascara of your choice. And I'm going back in with my bronzer, the same bronzer. For lipstick or lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with this H&M Lush Lip Vinyl in the color Chic Choc. This is one of my favorite glosses. I'm gonna go over it with this NYX Butter Gloss in BLG 17. Let me get my hair together and then come back with the finish look. If you're not following me on social media, I'll leave my social media on the screen, so please follow me. And I really enjoyed this glowy summery look, and isn't it the perfect time for this kind of look?